EUMACH, a worldwide brand of machine tools.
The MC2150P, as well as the 2600P and 3200P, are the largest C-frame vertical machining centers in EUMACH. These are specially designed for large workpieces. A 6-ton heavy casting base with 4-box type hardened ground slideways gives extreme rigidity in heavy cutting. The spindle head casting is a T-trapped design to ensure its highest rigidity during heavy cutting and for the long Y-axis travel support. The table moves on a 4-meter long saddle without any overhang to make sure of machining accuracy and precision. The axis ball screws diameter is 63 millimeters on each axis. Double nuts and C3 high precision class with patented pre-extension devices on the end of each axis guarantees its accuracy and precision. Each axis servo motor is directly coupled to the ball screw by a precision German-made coupler. An optional full splash guarding makes a clean working environment. The twin outside opening doors give a very wide opening to easily move in and out huge workpieces. The swing arm automatic tool changer exchanges tools within seconds. This greatly increases productivity. There is less than 90 millimeters between the front door and the table front end. That is convenient for a workpiece without bowing to the waist. The super wide interior space. A totally covered enclosure on the backside for all pneumatics and oil pipes provide an easy maintenance. An optional front-loaded swerve chip conveyor can increase machine productivity, which is very convenient for delivering cutting chips.